यह डिबेट प्रस्तुति हमारे शुरुआती स्तर के विद्यार्थियों द्वारा तैयार की गई है, जिनमें से कई विद्यार्थी पहली बार इस प्रकार की गतिविधि कर रहे हैं। हमारी शिक्षण पद्धति का उद्देश्य है कि हर विद्यार्थी को समान अवसर मिले। इस गतिविधि का लक्ष्य केवल प्रतियोगिता नहीं है, बल्कि विद्यार्थियों में आत्मविश्वास बढ़ाना, अभ्यास के माध्यम से सीखना और संप्रेषण कौशल विकसित करना है। बोलते समय विद्यार्थी कुछ गलतियां कर सकते हैं, कृपया इन्हें उनकी सीखने की प्रक्रिया का स्वाभाविक और महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा समझें। हम विनम्रतापूर्वक अनुरोध करते हैं कि आप उनके प्रयासों को सराहें और उनके साहस, समर्पण और सीखने की इच्छा की प्रशंसा करें।
Our first performance in this final segment is the voice debate, featuring Manan, Medhansh, Durvang, Prince, Durvansh and Aradhya. Friends, let's welcome them with a big round of applause as they take the stage. Hello everyone, my name is Manan and today I am standing for the motion on the topic mobile should be banned. Mobile should be banned because mobile wastes our precious time in useless chatting and messaging. Because of mobile, children forgot homework and lose focus from studies. Apps like Snapchat, WhatsApp and Instagram pull students away from studies. Their eyes, health and sleep are damaged by late night use of mobiles. Even accidents are increasing because people cannot leave their mobile. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Medhansh and I am standing against the motion. Mobile should not be banned. Nowadays, this is digital generation. All have mobile. Mobile is very useful in this generation because all are communicating with mobile. The students are also communicating with mobile, with their teachers, with their parents. They can find a very hard answer from mobile like ChatGPT. Some apps are there like ChatGPT, Gemini and Google. Like this app are helping them to find a hard answer. So all are not using mobile for time pass. They are doing late night work. They have late night jobs at all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Durvang and I am standing for the motion. Mobile should be banned for students because it is harming to their health and their study. Intelligent students are playing like games like PUBG, Free Fire and BGMI. They didn't get time to spend with their parents. Their parents also worried about their future. Thank you.
May I ask one point of information?
Yes.
If mobile is necessary, then why successful leaders are always reminding us that reduce mobile use and focus in real life?
They given instruction that the overuse of mobile is harmful. If it is used in a limit, it is good for us.
Hello everyone, my name is Aradhya. Today I am standing against the motion. Mobile should not be banned. Students do homework and solve the problems of math by YouTube and Google. They get free study by online tuition classes, YouTube, Google, AI generated ChatGPT. In emergency, student can contact their parents to help. They study on mobile by YouTube. Thank you.
May I ask a favor?
Yes.
Why are you thinking that all students are using mobile for playing games?
I am thinking that all students are using mobile for playing games because their parents are giving mobile in small ages and they are misusing of them, so they think that this game is very nice, so I have to play this game. Then they get addicted by the games like Free Fire, PUBG and BGMI.
Hello everyone, my name is Durvansh. I am standing for the motion. Mobile should be banned for students. Mobile phones should be banned for students because they download games and apps. When they see and play, they harm their eyes. They should not study and do homework and they fail in exam. So, mobile phones should be banned for students.
Let me ask you one.
Yes. Why they not do homework in mobile YouTube? They solve the problems of math and do homework because their parents did not give mobile. Hello everyone, my name is Prince. I stand against the motion. Mobile should not be banned because in today's era, mobile is very important role in everyone's life. It helps educational studies and some educational game, and it helps go to children its knowledge. During COVID, also it was fun. And tab every kids children helped in provide classes that children do work from home. Advantage of mobile such as communicate with parents, relative, teachers, etc.
May I ask you, Pure?
Yes.
If mobile addiction is good for us, why the expert says that mobile addiction is one disease?
Because of that overusing of mobile, that is a disease. It will if it used in a limit, so it is very good for us and students also. It is very useful device. They are not telling that. They said that overusing of mobile is a disease. Normal using of mobile is not a disease. It is good for us.
First of all, thank you everyone for listening our debate so carefully. So our conclusion is mobile steal our health, sleep and everything. So we have to be aware of mobile. Thank you.
First of all, I have to thank all my team members who support me. I want to say my conclusion that mobile is good for us in limit. If anyone cross this limit, so it is badly addicted with us. It is very good device. It is helpful for us to study, for communication. Thank you.
Thank you boys for your dynamic arguments and confident presentation. A grand cheer for this inspiring performance.